I miss Santiago so much. I wish everything around here would just freeze and stay frozen. Oh no! Anna, what did I do? Elsa, there's wishing potion right here. Anna, I didn't mean to hurt you. I wish I could unfreeze her. I take it back. I take it all back, Anna. Don't worry, I will unfreeze you. We will save you, Anna. Don't worry. Whoa, look at the snow. I love how it feels. Okay, let's dump her out. Anna! Ooh, purple snow. Anna, you're so beautiful. I love her dress. We saved her. Yay!